Hello guys! Welcome sa By Earthstone and Modular Cabinet Silang Branch. And currently, ang nangyayari ngayon ay nag-arrange ng mga bagong dating dito sa ating warehouse. Actually, last week dumating to. Na-arrange natin ngayon premium and quality stones na kadadating lang.
And as a direct importer guys, kung meron kayong preferred design, pwede natin siyang i-import. And dito sa By Earthstone talagang makakamura kayo since lower price kami compare sa ibang market. And guys, visit By Earthstone and Modular Cabinet located sa Sagutan, Silang Cavite.
Kaya ano pang inaantay nyo? Message us now.